Are you planning to perform on a big stage but you don't know what to choose? Let me help you with that. Supervisor is a multi-phase routine that looks like a real mind reading. And the best part is, everything you need fits in your pocket. It's that simple. And touch more? It was that, right?
Yeah.
Is it that? Yeah. Yes. Thank you very much. Can now come back from your place. During the performance, you not only interact with the spectators on stage with you, but also with the entire audience. So this is very easy way how you can connect all people together and create emotional mentalism. Stop. Here? Did you memorize this one?
Yeah.
You know what it is?
Yeah.
Supervisor is not the typical mentalist routine. It's a tool to connect with your audience on a deeper level, because during the performance you can provoke the questions about their decisions and future plans and give them the hope for a change. Now let's talk about the key features. It's extremely easy to perform. You have multiple reveals, also engage entire audience, and is a great example how you can pack small and play super big. So if you're looking for something interesting and emotional to your performance, Supervisor is for you. Coach. Yeah. That was a coach, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.